Hi, this is Artwork Evolution. This is an app that creates art. To get started, I'm going to tap on the top rated album. And in here, we can see art that I've created using the application. And you can use any of these as a starting point, or you can mix multiple ones together. So we're going to go for that mixture approach. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit select in the top right corner. And now I can tap on multiple images. So I'm going to select this blue one, and then I like this black and white one down here. Once I do that, I have an option in the bottom right corner to evolve these two images, and if I press that, we will see 100 variations of the images. Now, I can keep on doing this process where I create new art just based on these two images. And so what I'm going to do is one more step. So I'm going to tap on this image here, and this one's looking pretty cool here. Not sure if I want anything else. You can tap on a few images. This one's black and white, so that one's kind of interesting too. So I'm going to take those three images that we've selected, and I'm going to hit evolve one more time to create some variations and see what we get. Now, if there's a pattern that I really like, what I can do is I can turn it into a wallpaper for my iPhone or my iPad. In this case, we'll be working just on the iPhone, and there's a lot of really interesting patterns here, but I see one in the middle here that is really promising. So I'm going to hit the cancel button on the top. And now I'm going to go into the large screen view on this image right here. This one's got some really interesting blues. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it on the bottom left corner. And I want to render the wallpaper. So I'll hit render wallpaper. It's going to take a little bit of time. So everything that we do with this app will take a little bit of time because there's a lot of math calculations involved in creating this art. So I'll hit yes, and now it's going to do a higher resolution image that will look better as a wallpaper. Now, while that's happening, I also want to save this to my saved album. This allows me to reuse this image later. Any of the images in the evolution steps are not saved. So if you want something, you'll need to make sure you save it. After I do that, I'm going to tap on this, and we'll see that the wallpaper image is now rendered. So I could zoom in here. You can also double tap to zoom in, and you can see how sharp and crisp this image is. Now, with that done, we can save this to our photo library, which is the second option here. Here we have the option of stretching it or using the original aspect ratio as a square, and we can go with the original one here. Now I'll show you how to set the background in the settings app. So I'll open up the settings app. Here we go, and we have a brand new image that just popped up. All right, so there's the new image, and I can find orientation or a position that I like. Now, if I wanted to stretch this out, I could. And then I can just hit set when I'm ready, and I can set it as both. And now we have a brand new wallpaper. So that's pretty neat. And that is using Artwork Evolution as a means to create all of this abstract artwork. You can play with this forever because it will keep on generating art as you continue to evolve images.